Now we can discuss the operations on single linked list. Right? Operations on single list. We are able to perform the four operations. 1. Creation of a list, traversing of the list, inserting a new node, and deleting a existing node. We are already performed this operation, creation of a new node. Then I am going to be explain the second operation, traversing. So what do you mean by the traversing means? We are visiting each and every node of a linked list at most once. Let us consider the following is the linked list. This is the start pointer, which consisting of the address of the first node. The first node has the data 100 and it has the link part has the address of the second node, and this is the second node. It has the data 100 and its link part has the address of the third node, and this is the third node. Its data is 30 and its link port has the address of the fourth node 400. This is the fourth node, which data consisting of 40 and the link port containing the address of the fifth node. This is the fifth node. It consisting of the address 50. After this one, nodes are not there, hence its link port consisting of the null. The traversing means we are start at the first node and we are reached up to the last node, and we visit each and every node at most once. That means only at once. For that reason, I am going to be consider the two variables. The start is already available and its value is 100, but we go to the from first to last, we are not going to be move the start value. So for that reason I am going to be consider the temporary variable temp. So I am here write the rough code, right? Here this part I am going to write the rough code. Temp equal to start, that equal to temp consisting of the value 100. That means temp is here. So the temp is here means the temp link, let us consider one more variable, temp link. So the temp is 100, the temp link has 200. So hence we move up to the last node. Then we are simply consider that suppose while temp link not equal to null, while temp link not equal to null, then simply printf %d temp data and temp equal to temp link. I will explain. Right? So the temp link is 200. 200 not equal to null. We can print the per temp data. Temp equal to 100. In 100 location, the data value is 10. 10 is printed. And then temp link is assigned to temp. Temp link 200 is come to the here. So the temp is here. Now temp is at 200. The temp link has the value 300. The 300 not equal to null. Print temp data. Temp equal at the 200. Temp data equal to 20. And it is printed. And then temp link is assigned to temp. That is 300 come to here. And now the temp is here. The temp link has the value 400. So the temp link not equal to null. Then printf temp data 30 and temp link assigned to temp 400, right? And temp at 400, here the temp move forward one node to another node. The temp link equal to 500. The temp link not equal to null, right? Print 40 and temp equal to temp dot link, right? Temp equal to temp dot link 500 and temp equal to 500, temp dot link equal to null. So temp of link not equal to null, that equal to false, which is going to be come out of the loop. Simply we are going to be keep here actually void travels list. This is the starting and the one more, this is the end of the algorithm.